Disney Mobile Pass, go to your app. And if you're not logged in, go ahead and get logged in. And on the bottom right, you see the 3 lines, which is the menu. And then on the middle right, you'll see Disney Magic Mobile. It will come up and tell you what this does, which it allows you to enter the theme parks. You can also connect your PhotoPass images to the account. So to set up the pass, you just click Set Up. It will check the boxes of those who have tickets. And then you can just add to your Apple Wallet. Add. And it takes it a few seconds, but it will put it on your watch and on your phone. This also works on Androids as well, but I have an iPhone, so obviously that's what we're going to be doing. And then the passes will show up in your wallet, so you can just screen through just like you would if you're doing a Apple Pay, like with your credit cards and such, when you get to the Mickey Head ticket counters, and then you'll just tap and it'll allow you to use your ticket with your watch. And there's also a code that you'll be able to let the PhotoPass people tap it instead of tapping your band. So basically, this Disney Magic Mobile is taking the place of Magic Bands. So if you don't have Magic Bands, then you can use these and it would do the same thing. So it takes just a second, and now it's been added. And you click Done. And these are just some tips that you can read, but you'll see that you just walk up, and that's how you do it. And you will be all set. I like mine with Face ID. It's easier. Or if you have the home button, then you can do that. You can see it goes in your Apple Wallet, and that's it. And now it's there, and I can go to my wallet and see that it's there. And if I have more than one person, then I can just do like this. Boom, 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 just like I would with anything else. Very simple.